Gage? Welcome back to another video. We are outside again, and today we're going back to the tunnel, but we're going to float a boat. And this is inspired by the movie It. We got a juice box, whatever, don't know what that is.
It's called SS Blue Cat.
It's called the SS Blue Cat. So guys, we got a little boat right here. It took us like 5 minutes to make, literally.
Don't make it awkward, there's someone right there.
And so we're going to go sail this through that stream in the tunnel. And guys, if it floats, you float too. So we got Brody's channel here with us today. Say hello. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. Alright, I hope I can get down here without dropping anything. Ugh. You hold the boat for a second. Alright guys, so we got this little boat right here.
I have my piece of tape, kids.
We have tape with us. Oh God, I just slipped and I fell in the water. Guys, I just slipped right here and I got a little bit wet. It's not nearly as wet in here, it seems like, than yesterday. Whoa, tripped. Alright. Here, let's do it right here. So, we got the SS Blue Cat about to take sail right here. Should we make sure it's ready?
Yes.
What if it goes all the way out though? How are we gonna get it back?
Wait. We need to add some tape. We need to add some material.
Where are we gonna add it? What are you doing?
We need a flag.
All right, we got our little flag, and okay, wait, move the walnuts. We gotta move this walnuts. All right, guys, here we go.
SS Blue Cat.
It's not deep enough. No. Over here. Let's get over here. All right, guys. It floats.
You're afloat too now, peeps.
Look at that. It floats, but won't sail. Okay, let's grab this and take it to the other side. All right, guys, we're going all the way to the other side of the tunnel. So far.
Guys, sorry.
We were riding bikes yesterday. We found another tunnel. He's recording too, so I'm going to go ahead. All right, guys. Hello? Anybody out here? Okay, nobody's out here, guys, so. Hey, guys. We're going to do this. The SS Blue Cat is about to take off. We added a blue sticky note to it. Very interesting. So this is pretty much a juice box. It didn't fill up at all on the inside. All right.
We can't send it in there. That's someone's river yard.
I know, but we're going to send it right here and see what happens. Because we all float.
And you too. If it floats, you too do.
I just want to put it in here and see if it moves at all. There it is. It's floating.
We need more wind.
It doesn't want to leave.
We need more wind.
We have plenty of wind.
Wait, change the sail a different way.
All right. This is hard because you taped that flag there. No! The SS Blue Cat has sunken a bit. The sail has gotten wet. We're going back in here. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Oh crap. That hurt.
Did you guys see that?
My ankle just got broken. No, that's a Blue Cat.
The wind. The wind's coming back. Let it off.
Get out of here. No. That's this Blue Cat that's failing.
Ew. Oh guys, I think we should get out of here. It's like time to really win. Because guys, look at that thing. Look how bad it is.
I'm going to go set it off.
Here and tell us.
I'm I'm going back out over here. It's so slippery. I'm so wet.
Spinning like really, really bad from our view, but
Guys, the SS Blue Cat is not floating, but you always float. And when you're down here with me, you float too. This is like an it-based episode. Goodbye.
what if we found out who's getting one?
I would leave.
Oh, that was insane, Dave.
The SS Blue Cat has not made it on its voyage. This is so hard to walk. Guys, look at it. It's all messed up. Oh my gosh, I keep stepping in water.
What?
Goodbye, Blue Cat. It's the Titanic song.
That's exactly. That would be the epic drama music. For
Goodbye. Well, guys, so as you guys can see,
Your Iron Man.
I am soaked, and so are you. So, guys, the boat did not float, as you can see.
The boat did not.
Aren't you gonna put the cancer thing on, the cancer ribbon?
I'm not sure what happened to the tape actually.
It's right on your arm. It's on your arm.
Should I?
You put it on the boat, which the boat is over there now.
On camera?
I don't know.
I probably shouldn't.
Yeah, but it's showing good luck for the cancer people.
Please host.
Hey, look, we found more graffiti. This looks fresh. Oh, the ketchup bottle, still there.
I think we should leave. It's starting to.
So guys, we really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. And the boat did not float. Wait, we should try to get it.
I don't know.
Ooh, okay guys, we're gonna try to get it off camera. So guys, we really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please smash that like button, subscribe. If you want us to do anything more today, we will. And goodbye, boat. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.